Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rhiannon, but you can call me Rhi. It is currently Sunday and I am just about to head off to meet up with a potential photographer for hopefully a shoot later on. So we're just going to meet in a cafe and organize everything, see what's required for the shoot and discuss all that. So yeah, should be good. So this is my outfit today. I've just got this little frilly shirt that I got from Boohoo. I bought this at the beginning of quarantine, about I think it was in March, so I'm really happy that I finally get to wear it out. And then I've just got some normal pants and some little kind of chunky heels. I'm just gonna have a quick lunch before I head out and meet my photographer. So I thought I would show you guys what I'm gonna have today. It is Monday today, and as you can see, it is very nice and sunny. There's not even a cloud in the sky today, so I thought I would go for a nice little walk and enjoy the sun. It is supposed to get, I think, almost 30 degrees today, which I will put whatever that is in Fahrenheit. So it is 8:30 at the moment, so I'm gonna go for a walk before it gets way too hot. I also discovered last night that Duolingo has like podcasts that you can listen to, so I'm gonna listen to that while I'm walking. finally, I just made some almond milk and had breakfast. And I think for the rest of the day, I'm just going to do some cleaning. I've got to just vacuum and take out the bins and do some washing. So I think that's all I'm gonna do today. It is now much later in the evening. I've just had a shower and I'm in some comfy PJs, organised a nice cup of tea. I've got my Christmas lights on and I'm just gonna watch a nice cozy movie. I am gonna end this vlog here, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next one. Bye.